Okay.
Can you zoom in more than that?
I think so, yeah. That's our little neighbor right there, and it's a bunny rabbit. And the more we were here, the more he sticks around. And it's because we have protection for them. And it's called Dopey. I mean, Hemo. Hemo's just right there, and the bunny rabbit's just right there.
Out of reach.
Yep. They know, animals know, they're in tune with human beings, and they know where to be protected from predators. So this is the place to be for bunny rabbits. Pretty soon we'll have a whole bunch of bunny rabbits around here. Watch and see. More later. Bye. So I'm going to get some roast for dinner today, and I got this maniac dog. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to take him over here. We got a new freezer. Yeah, freezer. This is our, that's going in today. And here's our freezer. It's massive. It's a big freezer. So I'm 5'3". That goes a lot higher than me. So that's pretty tall. This is new freezer. See, that's what it uses. Electricity. It is, I don't even know what it is. It's from Canada, hey? I don't know what it is. I came out to get roast because, here it is. We're gonna have roast today. Roast and potatoes and gravy. Because it was a pretty chilly night last night. I wonder if we should have, no, that's gonna be good enough. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now this is a General Electric. I believe it's a General Electric. Yes, it's a General Electric. Okay. But anyways, that's what we're having today. We're having roast. And we have a contractor coming today. Sit down and talk to him about some things. I'll let you know about that later. Okay, you gonna behave? Okay, hold on. I gotta fix his cage so we can get into the garage and lay down. And my husband is finishing up the rest of the memory of the previous owner. And this is a 30-yard drop-off dumpster. And it is full to the brim. Let me try to...
Still wasn't enough.
And it still wasn't enough because we still...
Cleaned up some more.
We could have cleaned up more, he says. So, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I can climb up the ladder here. Can I climb up the ladder?
I meticulously put it all in there.
Yeah, he did. He was very careful on how he packed it. And that's what he's got. Wow. The instructions say to all the garbage at level of the trailer. And that's what he did. Look at that. What an amazing job he did. Yeah. And there's our bad boy right there. The adolescent youngster. More later. And this is where all that garbage was. Right in there, all the way back and around, and it's all gone. All of it except for the tires. We're gonna use the tires for the goat playground, I think. We're gonna put some holes in it so it doesn't set water set in it, and then we're gonna make it into a goat playground. We're gonna use them. But everything is now cleaned up. More later. What do you say about that, honey?
Say about what, love?
About what you're doing.
Well, it had to be done.
We have one more refrigerator, right, to get in there?
That's correct.
So he's going to take it apart and throw it over the edge, but he's going to shut the doors so that all the garbage can just, push against that door. once we get that, once he gets the old refrigerator out of the house. So, okay.
Previous property we had a demolished trailer on it, and another trailer that was nearly on its last leg.
Yep.
And there was all kinds of,
Yeah.
probably more garbage than this on that
So,
property.
yeah, we bought sight unseen, so this is what we have to deal with. So, but it's going to be gone, and we can start clean again. So,
Yep.
a little work ain't going to hurt nobody, right?
We knew what we were getting ourselves
Yep.
into
You're firefighting.
as much as we could know.
Yeah. But it's done, and we got new plans coming up ahead, so stay tuned. And God is,
Good all the time.
He's good all the time.
Yes.
Okay.
He gives us nothing that we can't handle.
Nope, there's nothing to handle. Ciao.
Ciao.